Namaste children. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 5.2 first main. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is a first term, D is a common difference and AN is a nth term of AP. This table you can see, this is from NCERT textbook. There are 5 questions. This is first question. That is A is given 7, D is 3, N is 8 and we need to find AN. So let us start the solution of this question. So the first question, given part I have written here, A is 7, D is 3 and N is 8. AN we need to find. So in the last video I explained you how to find nth term, the formula to find nth term of an AP. That formula is AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. I already said you there are 4 variables in this formula, AN, A, N and D. So out of 4 variables, now I know 3 variables, that is A, D and N. The 4th variable is unknown. So let me start finding this variable. So write AN as A plus N minus 1 into D. So I should find AN. So you can keep AN as it is, or in place of N you have 8. So you can write it as A8 also. So A is given 7, N is given 8, minus 1, D is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21. So now you have to follow the BODMAS rules here. So you cannot add here 7 plus 7, 14, 14 3s are. So you cannot do. Why? Because we need to follow BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, first we need to do multiplication. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So the nth term is 28. What he asked? AN. You can write AN or you can write A8. Both are same. Why? Because in place of N he has given 8. Next, we move for the second sub question, that is A is given minus 18, D is unknown, N is 10 and AN is 0. So in this question, 3 variables are given, that is A, N and AN. We need to find D. Again we have to write the same formula, AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in place of AN given it is 0. A is minus 18, N is 10 into D we need to find. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So according to the transposition method, first we have to send minus 18 to the left side because it is free from variable. So here you have variable, you cannot send 9 first. You have to send 18 to LHS. Minus 18 becomes plus 18. 0 plus 18 is 18 and 9D. Now in 9 and D is product form, that is there is multiplication. So multiplication becomes division. So you can write reverse this, 18 equal to 9D. So you can write 9D equal to 18. Then D becomes 18 by 9, that is 2. So the common difference we got as 2. Next third question is A is unknown, D is minus 3, N is 18 and AN is minus 5. So here the given variables are D, N and AN. We need to find A. So take the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in place of AN, he has given minus 5, A is unknown, N is 18 and D you have to use here bracket because it is into. If you won't use bracket, again you do 17 minus 3. So there is a chance of doing confusing 17 minus 3. That's why whenever other than plus if you have minus for D, you close the bracket for this. This means that it is into. So 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 3. Plus into minus, minus 17 3s are 51. Now again start transposing minus 15 to left side. Minus 15 becomes plus 15 and 51 minus 5 is 46. So A is 46. Next I move for the next question, that is fourth question. So here you see in fourth question A is minus 18.9, D is 2.5, N is unknown, An is 3.6. Let us start the solution of fourth question. So here three variables are given and the unknown variable is N. Again you take An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is An is 3.6, A is minus 18.9, N minus 1, N is question mark, keep as it is, D is 2.5. Now out of this minus 18.9 and 2.5, which number I can transpose on LHS? Is it 18.9 or 2.5? Yes, it is minus 18.9 I have to send first. Why? Because it is free from variable. But 2.5 is associated with N. So I cannot remove 2.5 before 18.9. So let me send minus 18.9 to LHS. It becomes plus 18.9. 3.6 plus 18.9. This you write as it is. This after addition becomes 22.5 into N minus 1 into 2.5. Here also you concentrate children. Many of you people try to multiply N into 2.5, 2.5 N minus 1 into 2.5, 2.5. So that also you can do, but again that is little lengthy. So instead of multiplying 2.5 with this bracket, you can send directly 2.5 to the LHS. This becomes 22.5 because there is a product in between these two terms. So product becomes division. So 2.5 becomes division. 22.5 divided by 2.5 is 9. So I got N minus 1 as 9. Send minus 1 this side becomes plus 9. So N equals to 10. The last question of this main is fifth, that is A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 1.5 and An is unknown. So let us start solving this question. So there are three variables given here, A, D, N. I need to find the fourth variable An. An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An, I need to find An, so keep as it is. A is 3.5, N is 105, 105 minus 1 is 104, but you know that any term or any binomial into 0 is again 0. So this term with 0 when you multiply you will get 0 here. So that is 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. An means what? N is here 105. That is 105th term is 3.5. That is the meaning of this. So with this I completed first main 5 questions. So let me go for the next main, that is second main. Choose the correct choice in the following. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In this you have only 2 questions, that is 30th term of AP. Find the 30th term of AP. AP is given 10, 7, 4 and he has given options here. You need to select one correct option. So let me explain. So I cannot find direct, I cannot choose any one option directly. Even though he is asking 30th term, directly we can't find. So before I find 30th term, whenever they ask 30th, 20th, 10th, 100th, 200th term means it is nth term. So let me explain few terms for this. Here you can see 100th term means what? A100, that is A plus 99D. So in this case, we not required to use the formula again. In the last main we used the formula. But here we know actually which term I need to find. So I can write directly. Suppose if I ask 90th term, that is A90. What is A90? A90 can be written as A plus 89D. So like this you can take many examples and try to understand this. A30. A30 means what? 30th term is nothing but A plus 29D. Next let me take few more examples. A1000. What is meaning of A1000? That is 1000th term of AP. That is A plus, can you tell? Yes, A plus 999D. So like this is also an nth term, but I am not using this formula and substituting. If you know the which term of an AP, you can write directly by decreasing one number from this. If it is A10, you have to write here A plus 9D. If it is A20, A plus 19D. I hope everyone understood this. So now let me go for the second main first question. That is, he is asking find the 30th term of AP, that is 10, 7, 4 and so on. So there are three options. A is what here? So to find 30th term, I need to find A and common difference in this AP. I hope everyone know how to find first term and the common difference, which you already learned in the last exercise. So A is nothing but first term, that is 10. And how to find common difference? By subtracting any two consecutive numbers in an AP. Consecutive means continuous numbers or immediate numbers. 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. So any two consecutive terms you can take and subtract, you will get minus 3 here. So now I am ready with first term and the common difference. And what we have to find according to the question? 30th term. I said already in the last explanation, 30th term means A30, decrease one number. Formula also says that here one number we are decreasing. You can observe here. So instead of substituting in this formula, if you know the term which you want to find, you can write directly A30 equals to A plus 29D. So what is A? 10 plus 29 into D is minus 3. So close the bracket here because it is into. 29 into minus 3 plus into minus minus. 29 3s are 87. So 10 minus 87 is minus 77. That is 30th term is minus 77. So option C is correct. Next question, that is find the 11th term of AP. That is minus 3, minus half, 2 and so on. Here also he has given options. Which option is correct? So we need to find. Since he is asking 11th term, I hope everyone are following. 11th term, instead of using the nth term formula, you can write directly 11th term is nothing but A plus 10D. Okay, now to find this 11th term, we need A and D. What is A here? A is minus 3. And common difference. Be careful children, when you have a fraction or negative numbers, be careful in subtracting. So how to find D now? Second term minus first term. What is second term? Minus half is second term. Minus. Why I have to subtract minus? So to find the common difference, we need to subtract. That's why this minus. And one more minus why you have? Because you have first term minus. So minus into minus plus. Minus half plus 3. LCM is 1 here. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. Here minus 1 into 1. Here 3 into 2. That is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 is the common difference. Minus 3 is the first term. Now let me substitute. A is 3 plus 10 into D is 5 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. So option B is correct. So with this second main, I end my today's session. Thank you, children.